Hello everyone, hi beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Chinelo, and yes, this is Chinelo's Corner. Trust you guys are doing great. So today I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful spicy pepper snail, and as you can see, it's looking yummy and inviting. So guys, let's dive into it. Okay guys, I'll be using lime to wash my snail, but before now I've already used alum to wash off the sliminess from the snail. So this is like a final touch in washing the snail to make sure it's properly cleaned of whatever sliminess that comes with it. I also like cutting off some parts of my snail, those long parts. I don't really like seeing them, although a lot of persons like them, but I don't really like it. So this is like the final wash. I'm about rinsing it, then I'll start up in preparing the snail. Here I have red pepper, green pepper. My red pepper is the Scotch bonnet pepper. I have ginger. I have salt for taste. Yes, you can see I have a big onion. Yeah, I have thyme, which is Gino thyme. I have curry powder. I have garlic also. I have seasoning. Then I have this chilled pepper here, as you can see. So let's go on to the next stage, which is to boil our snail, but I'm going to be adding some spices to it. So first off, I'll be adding salt for taste. Then next up, I'll be adding seasoning. Next, I'll be adding curry powder. Then next, I'll be adding thyme. Then onion. So add a little bit of water to boil. So allow the water to boil into the snail and even dry into it in order for those spices to boil into it. I already sliced green pepper and red pepper, onion. So we're going to blend our pepper, onion, ginger and garlic, as you can see. So move on to frying, but before then, as you can see, our snail is ready. The water has boiled into it. I'm adding vegetable oil to our frying pan. Allow it to heat a little. Then I'll be adding the snail. And yeah, guys, if you notice, snail is this type of meat that when you put in the oil, it's bouncy, as in the oil will be bouncing on you if you are not far from it. So it's something that you can just put in the fire. As you can see, I just turned off the heat, because if you are frying snail, you just have to be very careful. We have a fish that is also like that. When you are frying, you just have to be very careful and be far away from it. When you want to turn, you come close, switch up your heat and turn. After turn, you can now switch it on again and move far away from it. That's snail for you. So guys, as you can see, it's kind of dry already. So you're gonna just allow it a little bit, then take it off from the fire, and then add up our blended onion, pepper, ginger and garlic. That's what we blended together. So guys, as you can see, we are taking it off right now because it's ready. So we're going to be adding, like I said, our blended mixture, which is the pepper, the onion, the ginger, the garlic. Yes, guys. So let's go, guys. So I don't know, my snail is not that big, but I am just assuring you, if you have not done this before, just try it out. If you are a lover of snail, you will love this, and it's something you can just like feel like eating once in a while. So our blended pepper is already in the oil, so we're going to allow it to just get fried a little. It's not as if you're frying, just dry up some of the liquid in it before we add in our snail back into the frying pan. Yes, as I was saying, snail, this pattern of preparing snail is something you just want to eat. I just added my curry powder and thyme also. Then I'm going to be adding salt for taste, just a little bit of salt. You know, we've already used salt to boil before. Then a little bit of seasoning also. So yes, guys, you just have to mix together. Our snail is not that much, so our pepper is not that much, so we can be able to eat it, guys. So yes, so we'll be adding our snail and then add up those pepper, our green pepper, our onion, and the red pepper that we sliced. So as you can see, our snail is really pepper, as we have the pepper, the quantity of pepper that is needed in the snail. Yes, so yes, guys, you have to try this out. If you, let's say, holidays when you really feel like, oh, there's an opportunity to just treat yourself good, this is one of the things that you can use to treat yourself well. Oh yeah. So our onion has entered. We'll be adding the green pepper and the red pepper. Mix, just allow it to heat into the snail and then put off our heat. We are not allowing it to stay much in the fire and for much longer, because we already achieved what we want. If you allow it to stay much longer in the fire, those things will just overcook. So you just allow it to heat into the snail a little bit, and that will be it, guys. Yes, our snail, our spicy pepper snail is ready. It is ready. If you are seeing my video for the first time, you're coming across my channel for the first time, a big welcome to you, and you're still watching till this time. Yes, don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoy watching this video, click on the post notification bell so you always be notified whenever I post a new video. Like the video by giving me a big thumbs up, and to my returning subscribers, I say a big thank you to you all for always being there, for always making this channel a success. Thank you very much. I appreciate you all. I love you guys. So let's continue. Our snail, our spicy pepper snail is almost ready. So let's continue, guys. So yes, our snail is ready, guys. It is ready. So it doesn't take much. As you can see, it doesn't take much. Treat yourself, and with a cool, good drink after eating this one. The realization, like, if you want to sleep, when you are sleeping, you know, you might even be dreaming of sweet things, as in guys, don't mind me. Oh. So yes, it's really good to treat ourselves. So our snail, our spicy pepper snail is ready. As you can see, guys, like I showed you from the beginning, it is beautiful. It is really beautiful. Why not try this out? Thank you guys for watching. Bye.